Right, so I'll give that a quick sand down. Just smooths it, takes the edge off, it gives it a bit of a better finish. But what we'll do is get some primer put on there, get a few high build layers on, and yeah, hopefully that should look, well, should look pretty much like what they do on new cars, where you get sort of like a protective seal sort of finish anyway around anything where dirt's going to build up. I don't know if you can see, you probably can't, but obviously I've done it all inside the arches as well. That's got rid of the lip, makes it quite smooth, and there's no dirt and shit can collect up there, and yeah, stop the freaking rust. Coats primer on that, smooth in, let that dry, and then we've still got a little tiny bit of filling to do, if you can make out, sort of around there. Yeah, see where I've knocked it. Let's get in there. It's taking freaking forever. That's a bit we'll touch on later on, but yeah, I'll leave that there for now, and then I think we'll come back to that in another video. But yeah, we'll give this a few more coats, build it up, flatten it down, and that should be pretty smooth, and that'll give a nice sort of crisp line. Probably can't see with colour primer, but yeah, let's get in there. Right, zoom in so you can see. That's all done now. That's yeah, that's all the seam seal. We've stone chipped on top of it, smoothed it all down. It's a couple of coats of primer. Touched up, we've got the overspray on the arch, that's been clear lacquered again. So that's, yeah, we'll sand all this down. Well, ready when it goes to the body shop anyway. But apart from the brake line missing, we can get a wheel on and then start bolting everything back together.